Hey everyone, welcome back. Can't log in into Chime, getting an incorrect email or password error even though you know it's right, or stuck in a login loop that keeps kicking you out? Here's exactly what to do. First, check that you're entering the right email. Chime is a case sensitive and many people accidentally try an old or secondary email. If you are sure that the email is correct, tap Forget Password on the screen. Chime will send a password reset link to your email. Open your email app, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, and then check your spam or trash folder as well if it does not arrive within a minute. If you keep getting kicked back into the login screen right after entering your password correctly, the issue is likely your iPhone's connection. Go to Settings, then go to General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure no VPN is active. Chime blocks logins from VPN connections completely. If you're still stuck, try logging in through chime.com in Safari instead of the app. If the website works fine, the problem is specific to the app, and a refresh or fresh install from the App Store will usually solve it. So all you've got to do is double check your email, use forgot password to reset, turn off VPN, and test on chime.com if still stuck. Login will be fixed, and that's it. Subscribe for more Chime fixes.